New York City, the city like no other on this planet. Always alive. Full of action and real big city vibes. These are the top 5 things to see in New York City. Number 5, Brooklyn Bridge. A brilliant feat of 19th century engineering. The Brooklyn Bridge was the first bridge to use steel for cable wire, and during its construction explosives were used inside a pneumatic caisson for the first time. The Brooklyn Bridge looms majestically over New York City's East River, linking the two boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. The bridge's construction took 14 years and cost $15 million, more than $320 million in today's dollars. At least 24 people died in the process, including its original designer. Now more than 125 years old, this iconic feature of the New York City skyline still carries roughly 150,000 vehicles and pedestrians every day. Number 4, Grand Central Terminal. At this beautiful train station, you can eat some lunch or shop till you drop, but recent travelers most enjoyed just taking in the scenery. Travelers call the train station iconic and say it's a beautiful space to walk through or to grab a meal and people watch. If you just want to take a quick peek, note the station is free to enjoy from 5:30 a.m. to 2 a.m. You can guide yourself through the venue, or docent-led tours are available at 12:30 p.m. daily and cost $30 for adults and $20 for seniors, students and kids. Number 3, Empire State Building. You must swing by this landmark structure in Midtown Manhattan. And despite the hefty admission fees, the crowds, and the long lines, recent visitors insist that you won't be sorry. In fact, taking a trip to the top of the Empire State Building is either the perfect way to begin or end your Big Apple excursion. On a clear day, you'll be able to see the city's major highlights beneath you. Number 2, Times Square. Some say that Times Square is like a metaphor for New York City itself. It's exciting, colorful and always jumping. Others describe this area of Midtown Manhattan as artless, overpriced, and congested. Perhaps this commercial stretch from West 42nd to West 47th Street is a little of both, and though locals would advise you to avoid it, you should at least catch a glimpse of its neon lights. Most travelers recommend visiting the area after dark to see the marquee displays. Number 1, Central Park. This 843-acre green space is a favorite of New Yorkers and tourists. You can come here to exercise, dine, go to the zoo and more.
Here come the people, Marty!
Central Park is fantastic year-round, and is a must-see for anyone coming to New York. There's an almost impossible amount of sights to see here, including 20 playgrounds, 48 fountains, monuments, or sculptures, and 36 bridges. Central Park is free to visit and welcomes visitors daily, from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. As with any outdoor site in a major city, you're better off visiting in the day or early evening. There are restrooms available on site, and there are 5 visitors centers located within the park. That's it for this video. Don't forget to check the description out for a few fun facts about New York. Click the like button, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any video, and comment what destination would you like to see next. See you.